Use the internet to rake in referrals. Coming up on
Free Money Monday.
Free Money Monday offers strategies and tactics to help you grow your business. Let's face it, even though search engines are prevalent, AI searches are now a big thing. People would rather go on referrals than doing research. Because of this, every business should be soliciting referrals, and if you're the boss, you should train every single employee to be doing the same.
I have 8 different bosses right now.
I beg your pardon?
8 bosses.
8?
8, Bob. So that means that when I make a mistake, I have 8 different people coming by to tell me about it.
It's 500% more expensive to advertise than it is to solicit referrals. Today, static referral systems are really popular. Let's talk you through the basics. Static referral systems are really simple. You're going to ask your current clients for referrals, and you're going to give them a reward for doing that.
That's an attention getter.
And the internet is the easiest way to rake in these referrals. You can send out direct emails. You can add something to your website. You can even add something about your referral program to your email signature. But don't limit it to this. You can still ask face-to-face, which is awesome. You can even send a direct mail. Be sure that you communicate the rewards and make sure the rewards are something that your customers want. Most people don't forget those first 2 steps, but for some crazy reason, they forget the next 2. Step 3, contact the darn referrals. Do it in a timely manner. And then number 4, they hardly ever follow up. They send out one piece of communication, and if they don't hear back, they just assume they're not interested. You could not be more wrong. Continue to follow up until they either become a customer or they opt out of your messaging.
That was so much easier than putting. I should just try to get the ball in one shot every time.
Good play.
If you need help setting up your static referral system, set up a 30-minute meeting with me. I'm happy to help. Next time, I'm going to give you 6 tips on how to really ramp up your flow of referrals. Until then, God bless.